Hello guys, hope you're well. This is Dare here. Today I want to show you the example of using Ichimoku system. Okay, the Ichimoku system is a comprehensive system that we use to take trade. It generates signal by the two line crossing. Okay, the two line crossing, the red line and the blue line. Whenever they cross, a signal is generated. So for example, this is our last sell signal. When the red line crosses down, is a sell signal. When it crosses up, it's a buy signal. Okay, so we had our last signal at this crossover here, and we had one sell position at 1.10657. Our stop loss is on this high here above the last swing high, and our take profit is on this line here. We put our take profit just this line here, and that's our take profit. And how do we know our take profit? We use risk reward ratio. So the same amount of pips that we risk to make our stop loss, we use that same amount as our take profit target. So ratio 1 to 1. So now we know that when we put our stop loss just above the swing high, we calculate how many pips that is, and we use that same number of pips for our profit. You might make yours to be ratio 1 to 2, that is, you double the amount of the risk for your reward. Okay, so it depends on how you want to take it, but I'm using ratio 1 to 1. Okay, so this is the system. Okay, so our job is to look for the crossing. Okay, so this is one crossing here, this is another crossing here, that's another crossing. However, if I tell you that we have an indicator that can identify all the crossing for you, would that not be great? Okay, all the crossing, either up or down crossing, we have an indicator that could do that, and that is the indicator you are looking at on the screen. It is called Ichi 360, Ichi 360 indicator, and that is the indicator that draw this line and this horizontal line and put that number there. That is the price at which the signal is generated. So it shows us that a signal has been generated at 1.10657 for sell. Hence, I have sold at that level and put a stop loss above here and take profit target below here. So let us see the indicator properties. So we look at the indicators property. It's called the Ichi 360 V5. Okay, so the Tenken-Sen, that's the red line, is 9. The Kijun-Sen, the blue line, is 26, and the Sheku span, which is this line here, is 52. You know, that is the standard settings for Ichimoku. Okay, and this numbers here is to identify which of this crossing, which of the signal is termed to be strong signal, average signal, or weak signal. I'm sure you know the difference. Okay, when we buy above the cloud, is strong buy. When we sell below the cloud, is a strong sell. Okay, if we buy or sell inside the cloud, that is the crossover take place inside the cloud, is called, is a average signal. If we then buy below the cloud, it's a weak signal, or sell above the cloud, is also a weak signal. So you can see here this number 1. 1 means what? 1 means it's a weak signal. So 1 means it's a weak signal. because that sell signal happened above the cloud. We shall see that now. The other properties, we have screen alerts. If you want to receive alert on the screen, you can set that to true, and that's it. Perfect. In terms of colors, nothing there at all, so it's just these settings here. All right, so here you have one there because your crossover, the cell crossover, took place above this cloud. That is why it is a weak cell signal. uh, it doesn't mean that it's not going to make money, but you need to decide if you are taking weak or strong signal, or you are taking all the signals. Let me show you an example of a strong signal. Okay, obviously this is Australia New Zealand 15 minutes chart. I'll show you another chart. This is US dollar Canada USD card 30 minutes chart. Okay, this is the same indicator, and it told us this is our last crossover. This is a last crossover. Tell me, is this a strong, weak, or neutral signal here? You guess it right. It's a strong signal because the sell signal happened below the cloud, and hence this 3. You remember in the indicator 3 means strong, 2 means average, 1 means weak. So it's 3 there. The other thing is that the indicator will tell us how many pips profits or loss that we have since the signal. So now we have 30 pips profit since the last signal. Okay, all right guys, so that is how it works. It helps you not to it helps you to identify where the crossover take place accurately, so that you do less of looking for where the crossover take place, but you do more of managing your trade. So your job now is to manage your trade. This indicator will give you exactly the point of crossing. It will not trade for you. It's not an expert advisor, it's an indicator. It will show you the line of crossing and pop-up alerts. It will show you a pop-up alert that yes, it has crossed. It's a sell signal. If you want to take that signal, then you will trade it on your own. You decide for yourself if you want to take all the signals, or you want the strong signals, the average signals, or just the weak signals. It's up to you. This can work on all time frames, starting from, I wouldn't recommend 1 minute. I would say from 5 minutes. 5 minutes to weekly or monthly is fine. Okay, so guys, this is it. You can get this indicator yourself online. You can search for it, or you can download it wherever you find it. However, if you want me to send this copy to you, including the templates, okay, first of all, help us share this video on your platform, on your social media platform. Please help us share this video, and secondly, subscribe to the channel, and also make a comment and include your email address. So I will send both the indicator and the template to you. So I hope you will be able to use this template, and then you'll be able to take solid signals, because Ichimoku is a very, very solid, good system which are used not just by retail traders, it's used by professional traders as well. So guys, thank you so much for a lot of good comments and a lot of support that I've got from you guys. So please keep those good comments coming, and I will also try as much as possible to bring out this quality content for you. So thank you once again, guys. I'll speak to you shortly again. Take care. Dare.